changed completely and for the better a million times over. God, I don't even know where I would be if we never met.
What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya. Now, today is Thursday, which means Supreme Week Drop 11. So clearly, I am at work. The football team's practicing behind me. Now, the objective for Week 11 drop is the Mason jars, and I heard they were restocking bags, so we're gonna try to cop a bag. Now, the Mason jars, looking on Supreme Community, they're going for about $35. Add $10 to that for shipping. Now, the bag that I'm going for, if they do restock, is the shoulder bag. I don't have a shoulder bag. I already have the waist bag, and I have a duffel bag, not from this series, but from another series. But these should be going for around $54, and I'm trying to cop a black one or a red one. Not sure yet. So I'm going to go back downstairs, get on my computer, log on to the Supreme website, and hopefully I can cop. And most of you already know that I don't use bots. I'm just using manual checkout. I'm using autofill from Google Chrome, and that's about it. So let's see what I can do. Alright, so as I've explained before, I just get onto the Supreme website a couple minutes before the drop happens. Right now it's about 9:58 in the morning. Drop happens at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time because I live in Austin, Texas. Now, I actually have two windows open. I have my accessories panel open, or my accessories tab open, and I have the bags tab open because I already know what I'm going for. Definitely the jars are going to appear under accessories, and the bag is going to appear under bags, obviously. Alright, so accessories have updated. I have the jars, adding to cart, check out now. Seeing that the bags have updated, and are they not restocking this? I'm killing time. Let's check out. Autofill all my stuff. So when I have to autofill, I actually have to plug in like the credit card expiration date because I don't know why, but Chrome doesn't like to get that information. Enter my CVV code, process payment, and of course the jars have sold out because I was looking for the stupid restock on these bags. And it looks like the bags are not restocking. So let's kill that. Alright, I'm just verifying. Okay, there's definitely no restock, at least here in the US, for bags. So, Supreme Community and Drops by Jay lost on that one. What else can I get? So, I can get a skateboard. I don't know what resale is like on this. Check out now. Autofill all my information. Credit card. Make sure the expiration date is right. CVV code. Good to go. Check the box. Process payment. Jars are still sold out. Water bottle. Do I really want the water bottle? Okay, cool. I got the skateboard. Water bottle. Not sure if I really want that. What else can I get? I think that's about it. I think I got the skateboard. That's enough. So as you can see, I was able to catch the skateboard. I wasn't able to cop the jars. I know it was my fault. I really thought that the bags were going to be restocked, especially since Drop by Jay's and Supreme Community kept touting that there would be a possible restock. Oh well, maybe next time. But that kind of hindered my efforts to get the jar. It's all good. Also, in looking at the Supreme Community restock section, I saw that they had restocked one of the Gons jackets. So I was able to cop a Gons jacket in black in a size small. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from Supreme in a size small in terms of retail. In resale, yes, but in terms of retail, no. And I think that wraps up this video. I'm pretty busy today. Today is pretty hectic for a Thursday. I mean, I got to deal with the football team and etc. etc. What did you catch for week 11? Let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel. We are surpassed the 4,000 subscriber mark, and I thank you for all your support to my channel. And yeah, I'll check you next time. Cheers.